The house we got came with this really cool gazebo, but in a lot of need of some rehab and repair. So the floor, not so great on it, but I thought I can fancy this up with a little rug. And I found this outdoor rug and just put it down yesterday. So it's still got a little bit of its wrinkles in it, but I just thought it looked really cool. One thing I was shocked about, I didn't realize this was like a dark green color. I actually thought it was more black. But it's kind of more of like a green and a yellowish up close. Now from a distance, it really does look black. But I also just thought it was super cool and natural looking. And it just really gussied up this space. So now when I come and have my coffee, I kick off my flip-flops and it's just like my little floor mat. And then I can have my morning drink. Got a nice texture to it and everything about it. It's pretty awesome.